Hello, highlighters! It's Leo here, and welcome back for another highlight. You know the drill, it's another unboxing time since there's a new Happy Meal. Kaya tara, let's go! So let's start with the first toy. And by the way, it's Netflix Stranger Things Tales from 85. Actually, the problem is hindi pa ako nakakanood ni isang episode ng Stranger Things. At ito, animation pa to. Kaya actually, highlighters, no idea ako for this one. But, let's just unbox the toys, okay? So, the first one, it's the weekly watcher and mic. So, it comes with an instructions inside. So, para siyang, ano ba to? It's a building, okay? Then, we need to match the symbol, yan, by just twisting or turning the knob here. Okay? So, yan lang siya. Para ma-unlock natin si Mike. So, most likely siguro yung pinaka toy niya, pinaka nangyayari sa episode is siguro na-trap sila inside. And yun, kailangan natin silang i-salba. Yan. So, the symbol is a telescope, I think. Yan. By the way, here's the closer look nung building na color pink. There's no stickers, by the way. And in 3, 2, 1. Yan. Okay. So, here's Mike. Yan. Naalis natin sa building si Mike. So, nasave natin siya. So, simple lang yung toy. And looking forward actually ilabas yung adult toy na Stranger Things kasi sa Philippines ito pa lang yung meron yung Tales from 85. Yan, diba? So, we're done with Mike. Next toy is Will. Yan, Happy Meal box and Will. Okay. So, kasi parang ang usapan dito, nabasa ko doon na ang McDonald's daw na-invade ng monster. Okay. Yan, ito yung mga monster. Yan. Then, ito sila para lumaban. Okay? So, yun siya. And if you're wondering how many siya to collect, there are a total of 8 toys to collect from this set. Diba ito ng papel yung isa? But anyway, so okay. So same lang rin. Actually, same lang halos lahat sila. Yan. Ito yung instructions for Will. Iikot nyo lang siya para ma-unlock yung Happy Meal box. Okay. So, wait. Testing ko lang yung box para hindi masyadong makalat later. And this one, return ko lang. By the way, there's a QR code here. So later on, iscan natin para ma-play natin. Okay, so here's a closer look of the Happy Meal box. Ang ganda nito, actually. Oh, diba? Cool. So wala siyang Happy Meal box. Ewan ko na lang kung saan napagbilang ko lang. So, check nyo na lang sa nearest McDonald's nyo pag bumili kayo kung may Happy Meal box. And ayun nga, nasabi ko na ba, there are a total of 8 Happy Meal toys to collect here sa Philippines. But worldwide, there are total of 12 lahat. So, we're still missing 4. Yun. Whoops! And here's Will. Diba? Para lang siya, tayo nag-open ng yung safety deposit box. Yan. Ang plain niya, actually. Wala siyang gimmick, lang, tinitwist lang yung knob. And ang problem dito talaga, no idea ako sa nangyayari. Dahil hindi ko pa napanood yung episode. But for this one, ang mas maganda dito, magkakaroon tayo ng interest para panoorin yung Stranger Things. Especially the Stranger Things Tales from 85, diba? So for this one, here's Eugene's Farm, Barn, and Lucas. Here's the third toy. So yun. And 4 yung toy na wala tayo, di ba, sa Philippines. And also, meron rin Stranger Things Tales from 85 book. Activity book. Pero wala rin tayo. Di ba? Sad. And din siya. Same lang naman to. So, yung pattern niya is pumpkin. Oops. Clear ba? Pumpkin yan. So, pakita natin. Wala na naman siyang papel inside. So, weird. But yung iba meron, iba wala. Wait, alisin ko lang yung minions. By the way, if you're wondering saan nakuha to, it's from Juju Wobblers. The Minion Wobblers from Juju. So, pinost ko siya sa page ko, kaya highlighters, if you're not still following my page sa Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, hope you follow highlighters. Yan. Kasi here sa YouTube, more on unboxing video ng Happy Meal and Kiddie Meal toys ang pinopost ko. Though, may mga reels rin. Everyday, yan. Okay. So, yan. Here's the pumpkin. Ang ganda ng barn house. And here's... kalimutan ko agad. Here's Lucas. Neat naman siya. Actually, it's the same design nung sa Minecraft, 'di ba? Kung mapapansin nyo. Yan, inayos ko yung ilaw. Oops. Okay. Yan, anyway, here's the third toy. Open lang natin siya. Or close natin para mas maganda. Or like this one. Sige, display natin na nakalabas sila sa It's cool na naman rin. Yan. It's nice to display. Fourth toy, here's Iconic Restaurant and Nikki. Here's Nikki. Halos the same yung mga boxes design, but ang cool lang kasi iba-iba yung kulay na nasa labas, di ba? So, what do you think of these toys, highlighters? Kindly comment down below. And actually, if i-ask nyo ko, medyo nakukulangan ako for these toys. Yan. So, it's, Iconic Restaurant and Nikki. Kasi, di ba, nakakamiss yung mga figures dati na may mga gimmick like nagsasalita, umiilaw, tumutunog. Then may mga actions, pulled back, and then the like. But ito kasi ang plain, di ba? Kasi actually, I think ito yung reason nila di ba? Nagbabawa sila ng mga plastics and other materials yan. So, kaya nag-stick sila sa recycled plastics. But anyway, at least hindi paper toys. Anyway, next one, here's Nikki. Ganda. Cute. So, here's the McDonald's restaurant naman siya. Hindi natin sa likod. Oops. And for the fifth toy, wait. Here's 11. Hopper's Cabin and 11. I think ito yung isa sa Si 11 I think yung pinakasikat. But I'm not sure. Kindly comment down below. So, yan. And if ever na may time kayo mag-share kung ano ba talaga nangyayari sa episodes, kwento na kayo. Yung pinaka-brief lang, pinaka-maikli na mas maintindihan namin. At magkaroon ng interest kami para panoorin. Yan. So, here's the... Ano ba to? Hopper's Cabin. Yan. Plain yellow lang siya. Okay. So, ang mabubuong symbol is TV. And here's... Nakalimutan ko na naman name, sorry. Here's 11. Yan. Speaking of Minecraft, hindi ko ata natuloy yung story ko kanina. So, same lang siya sa Minecraft, di ba? May ganito siya. But at least yung nakokonek-connect. So, itong plain kasi. Pero sana nga, kung ito na lang yung toys, sana man lang nakokonek itong figure, or sana man lang yung ganito, lang siya, yung like isang malaking Happy Meal box na lang, or isang malaking restaurant, or isang malaking barn. Then, part by part, Tapos, pagka, i-assemble mo, dikit-dikit, di ba? Like this one, kunyari like one. Ganun, di ba? Tapos, makakabuild siya ng malaking bahay sana. But anyway, wala ito nalabas. So, we're down with the last two toys. So, it's... ito yung familiar sa akin. It's Dustin. Greg O's Snack and Go. And the last one is the Monster. Here's Hawkins Middle School and Snow Shark. Yan. So, ihuli na natin yung Monster. Kompletuhin muna natin sila. So, here's Dustin. Yan. Diba? Para malabanan na yung Monster. Pero weird lang, no? Ano kaya? Okay, gets na. Bakit ito lang yung may paper? Kasi may paint siya. Para kasi hindi dumikit sa box yung paint. O, alam mo na. Anyway, here's the... Yan. So, ito naman, ilaw naman. Cute lang. Sana lang na pag na-open siya, sana man lang nagsasalita, etc. Pero hindi. Actually, mas maganda pa yung box niya. For me, diba? Yan, okay. So, here's the supermarket ata. Yung parang ano matawag doon? Greg O. Snack and Go Dustin. Okay. So, nakaayos na siya. Wait, ayusin ulit natin. Yan. So, pag nilock nyo, ialisin nyo lang sa parang position. Then, kapag kayo open nyo, syempre, ikot nyo na. Yun. So, here's the closer look pala. And, oops. Ew. So, here's Dustin. Dustin na naging monster. Tama? Ay, hindi. Kala ko kasi, ano siya, naging octopus. Hindi pala, sorry. My fault. Highlighters. Hindi. Ano siya, yung pang, ano niya, yung may para siyang host. Diba? Ito yun, no? Tayo. Diba? Antok na. Kasi actually, nag-unbox ako ng mga toys na to. Like, an hour after the release. Yan. So, para syempre tayo mauna, no? Kaya if ever na hindi pa kayo naka-follow highlighters, hope you follow. Especially here sa YouTube and Facebook. And last but not the least, here's the snow shark or the monster. Yeah. So yung apat, kindly search na lang. Hindi ako nakapag-search kung sino yung apat na wala, na hindi nilabas dito. Yan. But anyway, at least, di ba, meron tayo. Height 8. And looking forward sana ilabas talaga yung adult Happy Meal. Anyway, here's the last toy. Here's the snow shark. Snow shark ba? Tama ba? Yan. Snow shark, Hawkins Middle School. Okay. So, here's the middle school. And, yeah. And, ang mga form here is bicycle. Tama ba? So, here's the monster. Plain lang din ang monster. Oh. Yan. Anyway, yan. So, I'm not sure. Baka hindi lang ako fan ng Stranger Things. Kaya medyo less appealing siya sa akin. But, let's hope na magustuhan nyo rin siya, highlighters. But for now, let's scan na the QR code. So, let's play the game na, highlighters. So, as per checking or looking here at the picture, wala tayo ito, yung babae na naka-jacket. Okay, tama ba? 1, 2, 3, 6 yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tama, wala tong naka-red na jacket. And sa monster, parang dalawin nakita natin kanina sa trailer na monster and yun. So, maybe yun na yun. So, tatlo na sila. Pero let's check na lang or search. Okay, so ito na lang yung wala. Then, paano siya lalaroin? Wait for the arrow to line up the target. Tap character to blast the target. Ooh. Find game and accessibility details. Okay. Let's try. So, dun tayo syempre of course sa 30. Ang cute lang, no? Binabato niya yung mga monster. So for this one, you have 4 snowballs. Dito nakikita yung snowballs mo, then the points. And of course, yung babatuhin mo, yung pinaka mataas yung points, diba? Like this one, 30. I'm not sure kung may easy, medium, and hard to. Actually, medyo madali lang siya. Ooh. Exterminated. Ayan. So, next level. Hala, meron next level. Ayan, yan yung sinasabi ko. Yung monster na yan. Baka sa iba meron. Oops! Ala. Oops! Ala. Ano ba yan? Medyo mahirap siya kasi mapayat yung monster. So, I get it na bakit siya medium round. So we still have 4 more. Yan, nilaro natin yung wala na toy. Oops! Yun. Yay, monster defeated. And next level. Yan, isa pa. Ito yung monster na wala tayo. Oops! Oops! Ala! Masapayat kasi ito. Kaya dapat center talaga. We scored 90. Pero defeated naman ata siya. Oops! Oops! Yan. Yay! McDonald's save. So, yan. Wala na monster. So, start new game. And let's check lang kung anong difference niya sa itsura. Okay. So, same lang. Iba lang yung nagbabato. Okay? Anyway, that's all for now, highlighters. So, that's it, highlighters. Here are the Netflix Stranger Things Tales from 85. So, 8 toys here in the Philippines, 12 toys worldwide, plus 1 activity book. So, yan. So, what do you think, highlighters, dito for this one? Medyo plain, medyo nostalgic actually kasi it reminds me nung Casper Toys here sa Philippines, yung nirelease ng Jollibee Toys para lumabas yung toys, I mean ghost. Kailangan mo siyang i-open, then magpa-pop up siya. Though spring activated yon, which is, I think, better sana man lang kung ganun ginawa nila. No? Sorry. No, yung spring activated, like pag inopen mo siya, or like pag pinush mo siya, lalabas, no? Or yung dati kasi toy na like pag tinaturn mo yung knob, naglalakad, bubukad din naglalakad. Eh, 'di ba? Ang dami sana pwedeng gawin, but anyway, super plain for this one. But let's hope na marami naman magkagusto, 'di ba? Especially sa mga fans, 'di ba? Pero for this one, if you're going to ask me which one is my favorite among all 8, of course, ito. The Happy Meal box with Will. 'Di ba? Ang ganda niya, of course. And here's Will. Tama ba? Yan. Okay. So, that's all for now, highlighters. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. Follow kayo sa Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and of course here sa YouTube. See you on the next highlight. Bye! Highlighters, wait! Wag mo na kayo umalis. Hindi ko pala na-unbox yung isa at nandito pala si Max. Ooh! Naku, galit tuloy siya. Oh my God, sorry. By the way, tara, unbox muna natin bago kayo umalis. Here's the Palace Arcade and Max. Okay? So, yan. O, diba? Nakapag-goodbye na ako. Hindi ko pa pala. I mean, sabi ko, ba't parang kulang yung box? Tapos pagbilang ko, 7 nga. And actually kasi, it's ano na ba? Nasa likod ko kasi yung oras. It's 2 a.m. in the morning na pala. Kaya pala ganito na. Sorry na. But anyway, so here's Max. Yan. Huwag ka na magtampo, Max. So, kompleto naman pala yung lineup ng mga tao. Or, I mean, group of friends nila. Diba? So, here's the closer look of the Palace Arcade. Yan. So, the symbol is Palace. I mean, the symbol is the arcade game. Yan. Okay. So, it's color green and okay, let's open na. Para makita si Max in 3, 2, 1. Joystick siya. Oh, so here's Max. And So, she's holding a skateboard. So, yan, highlighters. Thank you for staying tuned and that's all for now. Bye!